beyond anything I could even remotely have dreamed of doing. But a couple things. One, his ability to have a vision for how to put that together is insane. It's beyond incredible that he could figure out how to orchestrate that, and then his touch, whereby he's doing all those harmonics, and then at the same time he's chording.
Like that is very difficult to do, right? Like, and he's chording, he's got the harmonics, and then he was bending them.
Yes,
like above the nut.
Yeah,
like, and it's just flawless.
Flawless.
Like it takes me sometimes 30 or 40 takes to get like a 30-second little clip.
Yeah.
And that's something I've known for years, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like a song that I've known for a long time takes me 30 or 40 times to get it exactly right. And 3 minutes, just flawless. And put in like that big long run.
I would be curious to know is how he envisions, how he comes up with the orchestration.
Creative process.
The creative process behind that is he's listening and one day he goes, hey, I think Numb would be a great song on acoustic guitar.
Yeah, right? Where does that go?
And it was beautiful. I like it better like that than I do the original.
I think you're right. I grew up in that song like on the radio all the time, but that I can just relax. So that, I mean,
I'd love to have a copy of that just to listen to all the time.
Yeah. Now, what are your predictions? How much musical training you think he's had?
Well, with someone like that, you would think that
possible, of course, but I didn't expect him to do it with the intro, and he uses his right hand as well to do that. In combination with fucking the strings, I mean, so clean. Let's hear that again. So nice. Wow. And the bass again. My God. So he already used a little bit of percussion here and there, and like usually with Numb you have the rhythm, but here he adds a bit of rhythm in between, and he uses the percussion on his guitar for that. It's crazy. Let's return to the beginning. I want to hear that again. Here we go. Yes. Okay. Again, so subtle. So he starts off pretty high on his guitar, and then he goes down an octave to play it lower. And again, the little touch with his fingernails, like it's nothing. It's just, I have goosebumps. And I mean, it's so seamless. He just goes tap, tap, and plays like it's so easy, and it's definitely not. My God. But in this video, I see that he has some kind of mic on the hole on his guitar. Well, the hole to the chamber of his guitar, let's say. He has a microphone there. I don't remember it being there in Bohemian Rhapsody, or I missed it. I don't know. So nice. Again, the same guitar. I assume it's the same brand. Multiple voices as well. Like in the original, you only have Chester's voice, or had, because sadly Chester of course passed away. But in the original, it's only Chester's voice. And here he uses multiple lines on top of the main vocal part, let's say. So he adds his own thing here. Nice.